Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Occidental Petroleum. The report was first published on our website April 18, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Occidental Petroleum for the upcoming trading day on Tuesday 19th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Occidental Petroleum performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Occidental Petroleum stock currently holds a 3.832 score, and our system has ranked Occidental Petroleum buy or hold candidate since January 3, 2022. If you were following our analysis you would have had an amazing gain of 97.65% since we first told you to buy Occidental Petroleum 73 days ago. This is an average return of 1.34% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Occidental Petroleum our last headline reads, Occidental Petroleum Corporation stock price ended on $61.39 on Monday after gaining 3.45%. The Occidental Petroleum Corporation stock price gained 3.45% on the last trading day, Monday, April 18, 2022, rising from $59.34 to $61.39. During the day the stock fluctuated 5.14% from a day low at $59.93 to a day high of $63.01. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.64% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 12 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 30 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.82 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $63.24, and the lowest price was $21.62. Right now the price is 2.93%, or $1.85, below 52-week high and 29.98%, or $26.28, below all-time high June 7, 2018 where the price hit $87.67. The Occidental Petroleum stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 85.41% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 69.93% and 95.7%. The 12-month trend indicates a 78.7% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 5.87% and 83.2%. This equals a price between $64.99 and $112.46 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Occidental Petroleum stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the Occidental Petroleum stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Occidental Petroleum. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Occidental Petroleum Corporation stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $59.56 and $56.37. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, April 8, 2022, and so far it has fallen -0.71%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal not applicable days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 74 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 72 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Occidental Petroleum. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $58.13 and $57.50. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Occidental Petroleum Corporation finds support just below today's level at $58.13. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $57.50 and $56.15. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $3.08 between high and low, or 5.14%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.44%. The stock has a beta of 2.05. This tells us that Occidental Petroleum is 1.05 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Occidental Petroleum. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Occidental Petroleum currently has a price-earning ratio of 36.86. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Next upcoming earnings report for Q1 2022 is expected to be released May 09, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $1.62. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Occidental Petroleum meets first resistance at $61.83. If you do not hold Occidental Petroleum shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Occidental Petroleum finds first level of support at $58.13, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $60.27, $59.54, $58.36. Sell at $62.62, $63.35, $64.52. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Occidental Petroleum is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On March 28, 2022, Holub Vicky A. made an inside buy of 14,191 of common stock. On March 23, 2022, Bailey Vicky A. made an inside buy of 558 of common stock. On March 16, 2022, Berkshire Hathaway Inc. made an inside buy of 1,720,363 of common stock. On March 16, 2022, Berkshire Hathaway Inc. made an inside buy of 3,366,227 of common stock. On March 15, 2022, Berkshire Hathaway Inc. made an inside buy of 1,769,805 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 83.224. In total, the insiders bought 107,539,418 and sold 15,465,214 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $58.95, minus 3.97%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 5 days ago. Is Occidental Petroleum stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for Occidental Petroleum Corporation stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Tuesday 19th, we expect Occidental Petroleum to open up $0.0533 and start trading at $61.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.